How to enable performance monitor in Steam. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how you can enable a performance monitor screen in Steam. So in order to start, the first thing that you'll need to do is launch your Steam application and then click onto the Steam option at the top left. Now from here click onto the setting option and within the setting click onto this in-game tab. Now within the in-game tab you can see a lot of different settings, and if you'll scroll down within the overlay performance monitor, you can see this option that says show performance monitor, which is currently set to off. If you want a performance monitor, you can choose any position where you want it to be present. I'm going to choose the top right position, and within this particular position, whenever I enter a game, the performance monitor will be shown. Apart from that, I can also change its values, like I can decide what it shows, like FPS single value, FPS details, or CPU GPU utilization, or combinations of all of these. Apart from that, I have all other customizations which are listed right here, and you can decide on them accordingly. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.